Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the family. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my homemade curry powder. Let's get right into the ingredients. I have fennel seed, chili peppers, bay leaf, and cloves. Also have my ground black pepper, turmeric, ground mustard, coriander seeds, cardamom powder, ginger powder, ground cumin, and parsley flakes, which is dried. In a frying pan, I'll be roasting my bay leaf, chili powder, fennel seed, and cloves. And then I'll add a quarter cup of my coriander. And then we'll roast it just for 5 minutes under a low heat. Please make sure it doesn't burn. All right, just roast it until it is just right for 5 minutes, and there it is. And I'll be using my spice blender to blend my roasted spices. All right, once everything go in, we'll then cover and use our palm to press the lid of the spice blender and everything blend. And please blend until smooth or fine texture. And then we'll add in a teaspoon of my dried parsley flakes. Okay, so everything is blended and I'll transfer it into a bowl. And we'll begin to mix in all the other spices. This is a very easy and quick mixture. I've added in my quarter cup black pepper. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my cardamom. Okay. A quarter cup of cumin. A teaspoon of mustard, ground mustard. And then I'll be doing 2 tablespoons of my ground ginger. All right. And then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of our turmeric. And then we mix everything together. If you like your curry powder to be more on the yellowish side or yellowish color, just add more of your turmeric powder. Yes, that is what gives it that yellowish curry powder. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add 2 more tablespoons of my turmeric just to give it that beautiful yellowish curry powder color. All right, and then we mix. All right, this is a very quick mixture. If you try this, you're not gonna buy curry powder from the store anymore. And I am done mixing everything. So I'll just transfer it into my 8-ounce glass bowl. There it is, and I don't make too much of it because I know I can always make it whenever I need it. So there's my curry powder. It is beautiful. It is good. I would say it is the best curry powder because I made it myself, guys. And I know exactly what is in this curry powder. I hope you try this. I hope you try this at home, guys. And then you just want to transfer it into a glass jar and use it. And when it's finished, you go ahead and make another one, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye-bye.